Okay, so this morning we have Drug on Watch. There's not really anything else I have on watch. Um, I'm a little late. I was brushing my teeth, but what is it called? Drugs rejecting. I did have a nice climb pre-market. I wasn't trading pre-market. I pretty much never trade pre-market. Um, but it was doing pretty good pre-market as you can see there. I don't know. I don't really know if I really want to trade the stock in general. I don't really like the stock based on its price action yesterday. Um, I don't know. It did have a nice climb yesterday. Had a nice run. A lot of people made money on it. I just wasn't feeling this stock. This stock's just like whatever to me. Mm, but it is the only one moving, so I might have to take a trade on it. We do have resistance up here, and it broke through like nothing. I just hate the choppiness of it. It like sometimes it breaks high and then it comes down really low and then it comes back all the way up. I don't like that about this stock at all. Like right now, I don't know. I don't even know where to get in at this point. It's a lot less choppy compared to yesterday. This one seems to have some volatility to it at this point, but where do I want to get in? I mean, it should have been earlier on this candle at 75, but I wasn't sure if I was going to break and then reject or what I really wanted to do. The target for the day could be 475. See if it holds 4. Will that be our new support? I'm curious. So back up to 410. See if I can get it on a micro pullback here. Back towards 4. I should have taken it there, but I hesitated there. I thought it came back to 404. I thought it was gonna come back to 402 and then 401 and then flush. So I don't want to get in just right there. So now it's 404, coming back down to 4. And there's a break of 4, so false break. 30 more seconds to this next 1 minute. I don't know where support would be at this point. It'd be all the way down at basically 375. 4 would technically be our support, I guess, but I don't really know. I'm gonna get in there at 4. So we're taking our entry at 4. It's still holding 4. Let's see if it continues to pop or if it's just gonna keep breaking its low here. But so far it's still holding. 403, 404 now. It's 406. Can we break higher here? Can we break past 407 into 410 level? Not quite. Back down. Finally a break. See if we can pop back up here. See if I can get out break even here at 4. Nope, still pulling back. I could add, but I don't know if I want to add. Okay, I gotta look at my surroundings here. 5 minute doesn't look so bad to come pop back up. We have a 3 candle pullback on the 1 minute. It is holding its 90 level, so that would technically be our new support, I guess. I could add here at 90. Because it is holding 90 pretty well. but I'm risking it not popping up here. So there's 4 again. Needs to break back above 4. Just having a hard time even breaking through 4, so I might just have to cut my position here with a small loss. It's 98. Can we see 99? There it is. Can we break through 4? I'm gonna sell it there at 4. So I got rid of it, break even. There's too many sellers stacked against me. It's 4, then 404, 405, 406, 410. There's too many there. So I should have added down at 390. It didn't pull back to I guess the way that I wanted it to pull back. So I couldn't add there. Now it's at 407, popping all the way back up here. So maybe I sold out too soon, but I sold out break even practically. This one's kind of flagging at this point. You can draw a flag here. I don't know. This one's just so. I guess it's not choppy. I mean, it's creating a pattern here and everything. Should have got long there actually, but I don't know. Oh my god, I'm getting so many notifications. Getting really annoying. I do like this next 1 minute. If it can open here pretty high, but now it's just rejecting. I don't know. This is a tough one. 1 minute MACD is crossing here. Double bottom at 95. Finishing low. Next 5 minute open is in another minute. See if it breaks 95. I'd prefer for it to hold this level in the high 4s, like 405 or something. I don't want to see it finish in the 3s. But let's see what it does. If it breaks this low and then pops back up, it's 95 there, still holding. I think if I get in, it's going to be a false break. I'll sell it for a quick scalp. We'll take a larger share size though. I don't like how low it finished there. So now it's breaking trends. See if it finishes high here. Broke it low. In there at 4. Well, 98. Look for a break back above 4. I didn't even see it break above 4, and for some reason it said it broke above 4 on the chart at least. So it took a large share size here. I'm gonna have to cut it. If we can't do it, I'm gonna have to cut it. I'm not liking it here. I'm gonna get out at 93. So that's a $50 loss right there on 1,000 shares. Like I said, I didn't even see it break above 4. I just saw 4, but it said it hit 403. Kind of weird, but I mean, it is what it is. So nice stop on my end, I guess. But it is breaking lower, so that wasn't the best entry. I just felt that since it popped up there for a second, I figured it can probably hold. I don't like this stock, I'm being honest. It's the only one that's moving. Nothing else has hit my scans at all today. I don't know. Should have known better as well because the 1 minute MACD was coming to a cross, so that's why I was kind of like, probably not the best idea, but I figured it would curl off its level there. I didn't think it would actually break down below, especially because the 5 and 10 minute look pretty strong. I don't know. I don't really care for this stock. It's whatever. AKLI. This is what I'm looking for. Is something more or less. It's way more volatile than drug. A lot less choppy, I feel. Bigger spreads, but we'll see what this actually wants to do. All levels at 34, I guess. So I guess this is getting halted now. Perfect bull flag setup here too. 2 candle pullback and a rip. I guess I should have been watching that one. Let's check out another one, FREY. Go back to drug. Drug has resistance at 96, so 95, 96 level. That's where it'd be a good entry to short, I guess, especially because the 5 minute looks so bad. Its next 5 minute doesn't look so bad here, actually. I think yesterday it did make a 5 minute move. We could take a starter. I think that's what I can do. I don't like this stock, but I'm willing to take a starter on it. I'm gonna get in there at the bottom. We're getting in here at 87. Looking for a pop back up here, back through 90. So no, it's looking like another bad trade on my end. See if it can hold here. Pop back up. That last couple seconds there on the 5 minute, I'm gonna sell it, wrapping it up there. I'm not gonna trade that. Last couple seconds of the 5 minute, it just flushed, and I didn't want to see that. I wanted to see it hold its level. If it held its level, I was expecting a pop or a little bounce off that level of 85 where I got in pretty much, and nah, it just flushed on it, or it just dropped all the way down to low 80s. So it's not worth it. So that's already 3 back-to-back losers on the stock. I'm done with this one. I don't want to trade the stock anymore. It's not my type of stock, so I'm gonna wait for AKLI here and see what this one wants to do. That's a pretty big move there from 480 basically to 530. So about a 50-cent pop there. Want to see what this looks like at open. It's going to open here at 48 in 1 second. So let's hopefully this one's going to be the better stock to trade. FREY just rejected. This one is pretty choppy. MEGL, NEPT, STBX. Ooh, STBX does not look bad here. Let's check its daily though. Oh, it's a recent IPO. Look at that nice pop there. So could have taken it at 40, but it's really choppy. The spreads are kind of big, 9 cents. Yeah, all the way back down to 30. It didn't even show 30. I didn't even see 30 on the on the bid. What the hell? That's weird. Maybe I just wasn't quick enough to see it, but I didn't see that. That's crazy. Maybe it's just my platform lagging or something. But all right, so AKLI, let's see what this one wants to do at open. It is coming up to its averages here of 830, but we'll see what this wants to do. $610 is the high of this daily candle, so I mean if it breaks this high, then we can see the strength possibly come back up to this one. I can't even, what the hell's going on my charts? Wow, I don't know what happened there, but that sucks. So missed the open. This is wild. Look at that. I'm gonna have to take smaller shares on this one if I do take a trade on it. This one's really all over the place right now. Kind of don't want to take a trade on it, but let's see if we can get back in here for the break of 6. See what it wants to do in these last couple seconds here. Back down through 50. I'm gonna take a starter at 47. Wasn't filled on it. Canceling. Taking a starter there at 43. Looking for the break back into the 50s. Selling there at 46. Well, canceling my order. I'm in at what, 43? So you can get a pop back above 50. Not quite. Selling there at 45, getting rid of it. Well, Jesus, man. Okay. So made a 3-cent move, which is basically a break-even trade. Really choppy stock. It's really hard to say whether I want to take a trade on it anymore, if it's even worth the risk because it's so choppy. I don't think I should. I think I should wait for a proper setup. That was just a gamble at that point. So we'll wait on it. I was expecting a pop off of 40 because I was somewhat of support. Like 35, I would say was more support. But let's see what this wants to do. 610 is a big level for it to break through. Okay, so let's see. Can it hold in the 50s? Break this high of what? 62? There's 57. 60. $70. There's a break. Quick break. Back down to, well, 60 on the bid at least. 75. So now we're getting some momentum coming through here. See if I can buy a quick dip entry here. If it pops down to the 50s, take an entry. Well, that was a really high entry. Yikes, I bought at 55 from what I had seen, but now I'm in at 62. That's not what I wanted to see. See if we can pop back up here. It's gonna flush on me. It's gonna break 50. Yeah, there's a break of 50 real quick. 60. Can we break 60? Can we pop through? I'm gonna sell that at 68. I cancel it actually. Still holding these levels. I gotta be patient. I is 77. Big seller there. Oh come on, bro. AKLI. Yo, dude, come on. Wow. So I try to sell there, but sell break even, I guess. I'm not getting filled. I don't want to hit the bid, but I'm gonna have to. I hit the bid there. Hit the bid of 50. So that's it for me today, I think. It's too that was a mistake. I seen a huge sell at 65, 63, whatever, and I was like, I gotta get rid of it. Then I accidentally pressed 0 on my keyboard and I couldn't sell where I wanted to, so I had to take an even bigger loss there. 12-cent loss in 300 shares. Not worth it. It definitely wasn't worth it, I don't think. And that was a massive seller stack at 65 there. 63, 64, and 65. Or no, 64, 65, 68. Big sellers, and 75 is another big seller. I don't know. Today is not a good day for stocks, I don't think. I've been taking loss after loss after loss. One small winner is that I wasn't even worth it. So I'm gonna wrap it up here, I think. Down 150 bucks, basically my max stop. Kind of sucks too, because I mean the stocks that are out today just aren't that good. I want to take another starter here, but it already broke its pattern. I was gonna say there's a symmetrical triangle here. If it held up, then I would have got in, but that's just trash. And we got to look at what the market's doing, I guess. We got to look at where the move's happening. It's really choppy in this range. It seems like all trading off the lows is where it's at, but I mean, I tried it on DRUG. Like, I kind of want to try it here on AKLI for a breakthrough its highs here, but it's 5 minutes finishing pretty low. Nothing really looks good on its 5 minute. So I'm kind of like, do I really want to trade it down here? But it looks strong. It just hit VWAP and now it's bouncing off VWAP. So it's bouncing off the lows, but look at that, all the way back down to 43, 40 now. So it's kind of like, do I really want to get in off the lows here and risk it not popping up? Because if I get in at the lows and it keeps dropping through VWAP 520, then I mean, I'm just taking an even bigger loss. It's so unfortunate that I mean, I wanted to get out at 63 here, get out for a break-even trade, but I pressed 0 on my keyboard and then it just changed the stock, and I couldn't type it in fast enough because it was too busy on the share size order there. That's also really annoying. Let's see what drug's doing. Drug false break, pull back. Now it's gonna reattempt on its next 10 minute, I would say. Could be worth a watch, but I don't like this stock. It's not worth trading. It's too choppy to trade, I'd say. This one's just really all over the place. I don't really know. I guess the clearest point would have been the beginning of its I guess beginning of the move here today. So I mean, it was pretty choppy in this range with a rejection, but then it had a massive pop, and then this one just ripped through. So this kind of was the move to get in on. I just didn't take it. Also buying off this low. I should have got in down here, but instead I got in a little early. I figured it could break it slow and then pop back up, but no, that's not what happened. So I don't know. This one's not worth it, I don't think. FREY. This one's popping, but just not. It's too light on volume for me, I guess. IEA is also hitting the scans. Too light on volume as well. AKLI. I mean, this one's coming all the way back down here, crossing its MACD. 5 minute looks weak. Just. Okay. 5 minute looks weak just in general. 1 minute's MACD's crossing here. It's going through VWAP, so that doesn't look that good. Not the best stops today. I should have stopped out a lot sooner. I mean, I didn't expect that 12-cent loss today on AKLI. It's not what I was going for, but I mean, oh well. That was kind of my fault there. And just drug in general, you know, basically 3 or 4 back-to-back losses here. So, it's whatever. I think that's it for me today though, because I don't see anything else in the scans. It's a Friday, slow, so nothing else in the scans. Kind of just there. So I'm gonna for sure review. I'm back this week, so I should be able to review this weekend all the trades from like 2 weeks ago. I know I said that I would review and make a whole trade review on that, so we can definitely go over the trades I have. Definitely go over the losers as well. I need to review my losers, and I want to make more trade reviews. I need to start reviewing my trades on a daily basis, but I don't want to come out with a video every single time for it. So I think I'll do a weekend review of all the trades during the week and see what I can come up with or what's going on with my trades. But I think that's what I'm going to be doing this weekend. I do have a lot of chores, a lot of things that need to get done because I haven't been here in quite a while, but I'm going to try my best to get those out for y'all. But anyways, I guess I'll see y'all next week or this weekend, and I wish y'all the best on the rest of the trades today. So I'll see you then.